Hi, I'm Elizabeth from Habanero. So what do you do when you've got to make something really quickly, but you also want it to be nutritious and filling? Easy. Make a wrap with egg, pollock, a habanero tortilla, and habanero hot sauce. I'll show you how. So first, I start with a bit of olive oil, and I add a little bit of garlic, and then I add fresh pollock. So then you take eggs, just pour it into your pan, add a little bit of salt, and a dash of pepper. I like to make it sort of a little bit set first, then it has an omelet sort of feel, and a few seconds on either side. So now this has made a delicious and nourishing filling. What gives it its real pow is the habanero hot sauce. Generous dollop inside your wrap. You can eat it as an open face wrap or serve it like this.